Now you will see the APQ equations. There are few equations are there to find out different things. One is adjusted total cost, that is TC is equal to ds by q plus I max h divided by 2, where TC is the total cost, D is the annual demand, S is the stock, I is the maximum inventory, H is the holding cost. We have another equation, the maximum inventory, that is I max is equal to Q into 1 minus D by P. I max, maximum inventory is equal to quantity into 1 minus daily demand divided by P. That is, then adjusted order quantity, EPQ is equal to root of 2ds divided by H into 1 minus D by P. So if you apply these equations, you can get the adjusted total cost, the maximum inventory, and the adjusted order quantity. Now you can see the APQ example. The example is like this: annual demand 18,000 units, production rate 2,500 units per month, setup cost $800, annual holding cost, that is $18 per unit. Here the lead time is 5 days. Then number of operating days per month is 20 days. Now we will see the APQ example solution. The problem is annual demand is 18,000 units, production rate is 2,500 units per month, setup cost is $800, annual holding cost is $18 per unit, lead time is 5 days, number of operating days per month is 20 days. I can see here D is equal to 18,000 divided by 12, means the annual demand has been divided with 12. So you will get 1,500 units per month, but the production rate is 2,500 units per month. Then Q is equal to root of 2ds divided by H into 1 minus D by P, that is 2 into 18,000 into 800 divided by 18 into 1 minus 1,500 divided by 2,500. It comes to 2,000 units. Then I max, that is maximum inventory, how much you need, that is Q into 1 minus D by P is equal to, that is Q is 2,000 units into 1 minus 1,500 divided by 2,500 is equal to 800 units. Then TC, total cost, that is ds by q plus I max H by 2 is equal to 18,000 into 800 divided by 2000 plus 800 divided by 2 into 18. So it comes 7,200 plus 7,200 is equal to 14,400. That's the answer. Now we will have to find out the reorder point. R is equal to DL is equal to 1500 divided by 20 into 5. It is 375 units. With safety stock of 200 units, the reorder point is equal to DL plus SS, demand into lead time plus safety stock. This is equal to 1500 divided by 20 into 5 plus 200 units. This is equal to 575 units. This is the reorder point. We should know when to reorder with EOQ ordering. The reorder point, it is when the quantity on hand of item drops to this amount, the item is reordered. Then what is safety stock? The safety stock is, it is held in excess of expected demand due to variable demand rate or lead time. Then what is the service level? The service level is the probability that demand will not exceed supply during lead time. Now we will see the determinants of the reorder point. The determinants of reorder points are the rate of demand, the lead time, the demand and the lead time variabilities, the stock out risk, that is safety stock. Now we will see how the lead time will make experience with us. See, a lead time is the time between the material has been ordered and the material has been received. For this lead time, we keep some safety stocks. This safety stock will serve in the lead time. Suppose if the material doesn't come after between the lead time, what happens? We'll have a risk. We'll have to face a risk. We'll have to do some service levels. The distribution of lead time demand will be created. So we'll have to face a lot of problems. We cannot be able to make productions. That's why lead time is more important to get a stock. Safety stock. What is safety stock? Safety stock reduces the risk of stock out during lead time. So we need safety stock during the lead time. We know well what's a lead time. The lead time is the time between the placing of order and receiving the order. In this time, we should not stop the production, but we will have to maximum probable demands during the lead time. We will have to complete all these demands, and we can expect demands during the lead time. We will have to complete all the expected demands. So we will have to keep a safety stock.